Hey guys, so here we are back in the coop, and there's baby. And today on Graybeard Garage, by the way, my name is Matt, we're going to be working on fixing this and make it look like the other section that we just did. So guys, stay tuned and you'll get to see us working on that process. What are you, a parrot? All right guys, here we go. Okay guys, so right now we have the coop extending out past the meter here, but what we want to do is actually have the coop stop here and then kind of make a jog out. That way if someone needs to get to the meter, they don't have to come into the chicken coop. So we're going to go ahead and dig a hole right here for our post, and then we will run across there some 2x4s to connect to that side, and then we'll work our way back this way. And then on this side of the coop, we're going to put in the hardware cloth just like we did on the end down there. So that's what we're going to work on right now. So I'm attempting to dig a post hole here, but apparently they have other ideas. And this is the way every project is in here. So here's my post hole that's been filled back in again for the 5th time. I had to cut this big old root out, so I got that cut out of the way, and I'll just redig that. We're gonna need a 2x4 and put it in the ground about 16 inches, and then it'll come up to here. We'll go across and meet that end, so we might have to put another 2x4 in somewhere down there in the middle. Somehow I've managed to get our first board in. It feels like it took me forever with the foul help we've had. Next thing is we're going to go just past the window, put another 2x4 in there. Then we'll run our 12-footer across, get everything screwed in and level, and then go from that spot over to the new one over there. Here's Fudge. She's pretty. Really pretty bird. Hi, Fudgy Fudgy. We are putting these posts in at, oops, marked it at 18. At 16 inches. So we'll draw a little line across there, and that'll be our mark for the hole that we've got over here. So, which they haven't filled in yet. So we have our post here. This is a 12-footer that goes across the window, but we don't ever use that window. That's our utility room, so it doesn't really matter. And then this is a 7-foot span to tie into the other piece we did last time. So now this side's all tied in, and we can start running pieces across between the coop and this. But we also need to finish bumping out around that to the door, and then this side also needs to be done just like we did. I'll show you. Just like we did on this side is going to be replicated over there. Okay, so we've got, this is the older, well, the newer structure, and this is going to be our new pieces going forward. You can see we've got our first piece across, and then we're going to continue down every 36 inches, and we're going to go ahead and get all these secured in with some screws right now. Baby, you have got to get out from under my feet. Go. You ready?
Oh wait, yeah. No, tell me.
Is it still recording?
Mm-hmm.
Why? We did what we needed to do.
Because, honey, I just like seeing you on camera. I save these for later and just watch and just laugh.
Okay, that's weird.
It's like my comic relief, watching you do stuff. 'Cause you're just so amazing.
Logan said he'll watch them after I'm dead.
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
Ah, sweet.
Okay, as you can see, we're moving our way down the length of the coop here. And then we just have to screw this one in. And then we'll start focusing on this back area. Oh my goodness. That's baby. I thought she was a chicken, but she might be a seagull. Anyway, guys, it is about 4 o'clock on Saturday, and I'm gonna probably stop here for the day. And then tomorrow I'll come out here and get finished. So now we're out here on day 2, and we have to put in another post here, and that's going to kind of square this off so that if anyone needs to come read our meter, they don't have to come into the coop. So we are digging that hole out, which they're actually helping fill back in. And we'll get that done. And then we'll move on to this side and square off all that. Or not square off, but put in the boards over here. All right. Well, my seagull has spoken. We have our corner kind of framed in now to how we're going to go around to the door. And we're going to go ahead and put some bracing down here and down on this side as well. All right, guys, so we took a piece of this hardware cloth and we cut it to 90 inches long and 26 inches wide. And that's going to fit in the first panel, and I'll show you where that's going. So that hardware cloth that I just showed you is going to fit right in there. So I got to dig down about 12 inches there, and then we will attach that hardware cloth. Well, guys, the sun's setting on us on this Sunday evening, and we got this corner done. We just gotta get back over here. So, guys, thanks for joining us again here on Graybeard Garage. If you guys enjoyed what you see here, hit that thumbs up button. Let us know you like what you're seeing. If you think it's something that someone else might find interesting, go ahead and share. And for those of you that have subscribed, we really do appreciate it, as it does help the channel out. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing, as, like I said, it does help the channel out greatly. And again, guys, this is Graybeard Garage. My name is Matt. And remember, you can do anything if you put your mind to it. We'll see you guys here next time on Graybeard Garage.